Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you connect an HP printer to Verizon Wi-Fi WPS pin and driver setup. Method 1, you can connect using the printer's touch screen. Turn on the printer and on the printer, open settings, network or wireless. Select wireless setup wizard. Choose your Verizon Wi-Fi network, SID, enter your Wi-Fi password and wait for the printer to confirm it's connected. Method 2, connect using HP Smart. For that, you need to download and install the HP Smart app on your Windows PC, Mac, Android device, or iPhone, whichever device you are using, and turn on the printer. Connect your phone or computer to the same Verizon Wi-Fi network and open the HP Smart app. Click Add Printer and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. Method 3, connect using WPS. Press the WPS button on your Verizon router. Within 2 minutes, press the wireless or WPS button on your HP printer. Wait for the wireless light to stop blinking and remain solid. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.